Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss on the technical analysis outlook for the two cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart and we'll be trying to find out the trend, the direction for these two cryptocurrencies. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. Alright, so this is the daily chart of Bitcoin, and if you look at here, you can see a good thing. If you have followed our previous videos or if you have seen our previous videos, so we were talking about this thing that this 22,600 level is a crucial support level for the Bitcoin. Why? Because one, there is a support area, another there is a just below than that there is this trend line as well, which is very near to this 22,600 level. So now this area has multiple support levels, and that's the reason you can see the price maybe here it will take up a small support, and then it will rise, and exactly the same thing happens today. However, today the market is still open, so we just need to get the confirmation by the closing. So if the closing happens higher than this 22,600, or if we get a good bullish candle today, so that will be sure we'll be getting a confirmation that from here the price will again go up, and most likely it will happen, because if you look at these momentum, if you look at the support area, so you can see that multiple times you will be getting a condition or a confirmation that price should rise from here. I think the price today is up by more than 2%. Yes, it's more than 2.5%. The price is up, and as of now the volumes are slightly looking better, because the main evening time is still there, and we might able to see more volumes by that time. So it means maybe today by the closing we'll get a good close above than this 22,600, and if that happens again the price will make a higher low, and this time this low will be good enough, better enough, because it's actually creating a good significant higher low. So if that happens, you will see that the price will reach towards to 25,800. That would be the resistance area, and support we can take up at 22,600. So this is for the Bitcoin. And if you look at the Ethereum, so Ethereum is at a very interesting level. Why? Because here we can have not only this resistance area of 1725, but also this 100 EMA level. Now this 100 EMA level is slightly below than this 1725 level. So first of all, if the price needs to go up, if the price needs to close above, definitely it will be the 100 EMA than your resistance area. So today again, if the price closes higher, maybe at around resistance area or so, that will be a good sign, because once the price will come back or come higher than the 100 EMA, you will see that now maybe we will see that more people will come, more traders will come, and more trading activity will be there. So more participation means one clear side direction, so that will be good for the Ethereum traders. And let's I'm just waiting for today's closing, and if that happens good enough, good bullish candle if we will be getting, definitely there will be a good upside momentum from now onwards. So I think let's wait for that, and maybe we can get more clarity by the Monday, because we have 3 more days to go, but Saturdays and Sundays are like we might not able to see more momentum, but let's see what's gonna happen. So this is all for today, and please subscribe to the channel, like this video, hit the notification bell icon, so that you don't miss out any further notification related to the financial markets. And this is all from my side, so thank you so much for watching us.